Ever spent hours troubleshooting car issues? Frustrated by slow, confusing diagnostic tools? Worried about missing hidden problems? Tired of expensive subscriptions and limited coverage? Wish you could test car systems instantly? Struggling to identify fault codes quickly? Dealing with multiple scanners for different brands? Annoyed by complicated setups and slow scans? Lost valuable time on manual VIN entry? Stuck waiting for updates to access new features? Feeling overwhelmed by technical jargon? Meet the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S, your new solution. 2025's newly released bi-directional diagnostic scanner. Control and test car actuators with one tap. Check windows, mirrors, sunroof, wipers instantly. Active tests reveal real-time actuator conditions. No more guesswork. See results immediately. Supports 28+ reset services for 150+ car brands. Oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, battery registration, and more, all in one device. Works as MX808, MK900, MK808BT, MX900, full system diagnostics, reads and clears codes. Factory-level scanner for dealer-grade accuracy. Displays 5-in-1 live data for deep insights. Generates detailed Wi-Fi printable reports. AutoVIN identifies car make, model, year instantly. AutoScan finds all ECU faults in seconds. 10x faster than traditional scanners. Save time and money on every job. No need for multiple tools or subscriptions. MK808S offers top-tier functions at a lower cost. Enjoy flawless function, even without updates. Global coverage for over 150 car brands. Update easily for new models and features. 1 year of free software updates included. Offline features keep working after update period. Verify compatibility anytime via Autel support. Lifetime technical support. Always here for you. Free returns and replacements for peace of mind. 1-year brand warranty protects your investment. Certified Amazon seller with 10 years of trust. 24/7, 365 customer service. Real help anytime. Before, slow scans, missed codes, wasted time. Before, multiple devices, costly subscriptions. Before, frustration with incomplete diagnostics. Before, manual VIN entry and confusing interfaces. After, MK808S auto scans every system in seconds. After, one device for all brands and services. After, instantly test actuators, see results live. After, effortless auto VIN and quick fault detection. After, save money, boost efficiency, work smarter. After, easy updates, lifetime support, worry-free use. Imagine diagnosing any car in minutes. Imagine printing detailed reports for your clients. Imagine never missing a hidden fault again. Imagine saving hundreds on subscriptions yearly. Imagine one tool for every brand you service. MK808S makes advanced diagnostics practical and affordable. Perfect for technicians, enthusiasts, and repair shops. Upgrade your workflow and customer satisfaction. Stop wasting time. Start working smarter today. Get the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S now. Experience bi-directional control and fast diagnostics. Enjoy 28+ reset services for 150+ brands. Benefit from AutoVIN, AutoScan, and live data. Rely on dealer-level accuracy and global coverage. Contact our expert team for any questions. Call 1-833-436-5880 for support and compatibility. Don't settle for less. Choose MK808S for your shop. Autel MaxiCOM MK808S, the smart choice for diagnostics. Order now and transform your automotive business.